The chaga mushroom is a parasitic fungus that grows in very cold climates such as Northern Europe and Siberia. It has been used for medicinal purposes in Asia and Siberia for centuries, but has begun to gain popularity in the West recently. It also has a history of being used in fiber dyeing and lighting fires. Chaga mushrooms have a lot of mysteries surrounding them. There are myths about how to harvest it, its availability, and its seasonality. One example is that it should only be harvested in winter, perhaps because of its origin in cold weather climates. This is a baseless claim, although chaga mushrooms are easier to spot on a birch without leaves. Many of the myths are largely unfounded. It is sometimes called the cancer mushroom because it has been shown in labs and historically to fight cancer. Let's learn all about the chaga mushroom coming up next. Let's look at the top 10 reasons you should take chaga mushrooms. Number 1, chaga mushrooms boost immune health. Many ancient people have been taking chaga mushrooms to boost their immune system against all sorts of diseases. Chaga encourages the growth of beneficial cytokine A protein that stimulates white blood cells to fight off bacteria and other infections. They also contain beta-D-glucans, which can help balance your immune system. Number 2, chaga mushrooms may fight cancer. Chaga mushrooms contain antioxidants that fight cancer cells and shrink tumors. In one study, chaga mushrooms made into a tea may have killed colon cancer cells, and there is some hope of using them in anti-cancer medication. Researchers have studied groups of people who have consumed chagas compared to neighboring groups who did not, and found that the group that ate or drank chagas had no cancer at all. Number 3, chaga mushrooms are anti-inflammatory. Chagas also discourage the production of harmful cytokines, which are responsible for many types of inflammation. They have also been shown to reduce long-term inflammation in test tube and animal-based experiments. Number 4, chaga mushrooms lower blood sugar. In studies with diabetic mice, chaga mushrooms have reduced blood sugar and insulin resistance. Number 5, chaga mushrooms lower cholesterol. Chaga mushrooms have been shown in animal studies to reduce bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol and increase antioxidants, probably due to the antioxidants found in the mushroom itself. Number 6, chaga mushrooms may treat irritable bowel syndrome. This disease is partially caused by oxidative stress. Lab experiments have shown that chaga may reduce oxidative stress, thereby demonstrating that it may be a good treatment for irritable bowel syndrome and Crohn's disease. It may also prevent the formation of stomach ulcers caused by H. pylori bacteria. Number 7, chaga mushrooms are said to be anti-aging. Oxidative stress is one of the causes of signs of aging, such as wrinkles, gray hair, and sagging skin. Lab experiments with chagas show promise in the reduction of oxidative stress. Chaga mushrooms could be a fountain of youth. Number 8, chaga mushrooms help protect the liver. The same antioxidants in chaga mushrooms that create many of these benefits also protect important organs like the liver. Number 9, chaga mushrooms reduce allergies. Chaga mushrooms have been shown to reduce allergies such as food allergies. Number 10, chaga mushrooms give you energy. Chaga tea may be a good replacement for your morning coffee. Studies suggest that chaga mushrooms increase the presence of a molecule called AMPK, an important part of energy production that plays a role in cellular energy balances. While there are many benefits of using chaga mushrooms, there are also some downsides and potential drawbacks. The top 8 reasons you might think twice about chaga mushrooms are: Number 1, chaga mushrooms have unconfirmed benefits. Though chaga mushrooms show promise in treating a lot of conditions, many of the benefits are based on experiments on animals and in the lab. More testing on humans is needed to verify these effects. Number 2, chaga mushrooms are high in oxalates. If you already suffer frequently from kidney stones, avoid chagas, as they will cause kidney stones to form quicker. Number 3, chaga mushrooms lower blood sugar. Be cautious if you have blood sugar issues, are diabetic, or take insulin. This may be a pro if regulated carefully and care is taken that it doesn't conflict with your medication, but if not, it could be very dangerous. Number 4, chaga mushrooms can prevent blood clotting. Check with your doctor if you have a mechanical heart valve or take blood thinning medications, as it may interfere with these. Number 5, chaga mushrooms can't be eaten raw or incorporated into foods. Unlike mushrooms like turkey tail, morella, portobellos, and shiitake, chagas can't be thrown into a salad or just grilled up. Number 6, chaga mushrooms must be purchased as a processed food. Chagas have a hard texture that renders them pretty useless to eat as they are. They must specifically be processed first. Number 7, chaga mushrooms don't taste good alone. While they may be taken in pill form or combined with other flavors of mushrooms, chaga mushrooms are not tasty alone at all. Number 8, chaga mushrooms may cause allergies. Though rare, some people do have an allergic reaction to chaga mushrooms. How best to consume chaga mushrooms? This mushroom may be ground into a powder in order to keep it longer, and then made into a tea or taken as a supplement. It is widely available in powder form. In fact, it may be difficult to find in any other form due to the long distances from where they're grown to where they need to be processed before being edible or drinkable. Some people claim that chagas gain much of their helpful properties from their host tree, the birch. For this reason, it might be preferable to buy chaga mushrooms that were harvested from a birch tree rather than cultivated by some other means. The recommended dose is 1 to 2 grams or 1 to 2 cups per day. Follow instructions on the bottle if you purchase as a supplement, as amounts per capsule may vary. So what's the bottom line? While this ancient Siberian mushroom has been found to effectively treat many problems, it has not been studied much in human studies. However, unless you have a condition such as diabetes or a mechanical heart valve, the contraindications to the use of the mushroom are few, and there's little risk to consuming it daily. Even if you do have one of these conditions, talk to your healthcare provider about including it as part of your treatment. A cup of chaga tea a day may be just enough to keep the doctor away. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button. I put out new videos each and every week to help all of us stay in the best health possible. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay curious, and as always, have a beautiful day.